Today I'm going to show you how to use some elements of the app Lightroom. The first thing you'll need to do is to download the app from your Play Store. It is a free app and the icon is the one on the top right there, it says LR. So it's free, but just be aware of any in-app purchases. Once you open it, you'll see at the bottom right hand side there's two icons in blue, one with a picture with a plus and one with a camera. One with a picture with the plus means you can add a photo into your library from your gallery, and the one with a camera means you can directly take a photo. So I've uploaded some pictures into stock images. They'll either come into all photos or you can put them into an album. So I'm going to click on one of my images here and we're going to have a go at editing some parts of it. I'm not going to show you it all today because there's quite a lot. At the bottom of the screen you'll notice some icons. The ones with the blue star means that they are additional paid items, so just be careful not to click on those. We've got the basic crop, which means you can rotate and you can crop to make it smaller or different shapes. Click tick once you're happy with it. If you click on profiles, you've got some preset filters here. Obviously there are some premium ones here, so just be careful. You can have a play around with some of the preset filters, a little bit like the Snapseed app here as well. And once you're happy, click on the tick at the top. You've got auto, which automatically edits and highlights your photo, and we've got light, so that's what I'm going to show you today. So in light there's quite a lot of things we can have a play around with here, lots of different dials. So we've got exposure, so if I increase the exposure it looks like that, if I decrease the exposure it looks like that, so you can have a play around with making it lower or higher. Contrast, making it higher, making it lower. I'm actually going to increase mine, I think. Highlights, you can increase or decrease. Shadows, increase or decrease. And whites, increase or decrease. And blacks, increase or decrease. Once you're happy with it, it should look like that, or however you've had to play around with it. And there's lots of different features just in the light section that we're going to have a go at today. So see what you come up with and see if you can edit some photos in a professional way.